Number 2. The Basic Kaizen Concepts. Every operation in a business can be improved. Whether it be the way you manufacture products, paperwork, or deal with suppliers. The people who perform these operations know best how to do them better. Or if they need to be done at all. To get improvement ideas from your employees, you have to ask them. Kaizen teian is a method to mine the rich resources of good ideas and talent, hidden on the shop floor or in the office. To get continuous improvement. Employees must learn to identify problems and conceive solutions that deal with the causes. First, we must develop their abilities. The ultimate purpose of Kaizen teian is to develop 3 skills in employees. Number 1. Perceptiveness. Employees learn to uncover problems. The first step is to look around the workplace for improvements. Do you have a quality problem? Are processes awkward or too time-consuming? What are they unhappy about? Where is the gap between what is and what could be? Number 2. Develop ideas. Employees develop skills by devising solutions to problems. Techniques like brainstorming. You're not necessarily looking for innovative or breakthrough ideas. A simple proposal to improve a minor process is more valuable than a creative and practical breakthrough idea. The simple proposal is more useful because it's easier to adopt. Number 3. Deciding on a solution, implementing it and measuring its effect. Here the employees decide which solution is best. Plan and propose the idea to the supervisor for approval, implement it and gauge the effect the change makes. Solutions are only valuable when they are implemented. Ask how an idea can be put to use, given limitations such as cost, quality and safety. A good Kaizen involves ideas that take all these things into consideration. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next. Learning to identify problems.